You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power lift gate, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
There are plenty of reasons that Audi certified inspection is the industry's most rigorous. No other manufacturer puts their certified cars through a tougher examination. All certified cars are also backed by first-rate service and support. Audi certified cars, performance, and peace of mind.